Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create 3 timeline actions using Roezan. So the first one is how to remove a contact from list. Second one is how to add tag, and the last one would be how to remove tag. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once we're already logged in, you just have to open the timeline. So navigate to the timeline section and select the timeline that you want to create the timeline actions for. And from here, you just have to click on the Create Action button from the upper right hand side. The first action that we will be creating is how to remove a contact from list. So we will be setting this one 2 hours after the webinar. So we will be targeting non-attendees because we want to remove them from a list. So from the what, let's look for Roseanne again, and let's remove them from this list. And once you're satisfied with everything, you just have to click on create at the bottom and we'll get a notification that it has been successfully added. So the next timeline action that we will be creating is adding a tag. So again, click on create action from the upper right hand side. And this one we will be setting before the webinar starts, at least an hour before the webinar starts. So let's select all registrants and let's look for Roseanne again. And we will be selecting add tag and click on the drop down to select the tag that you want the registrants added to, and just click on create again at the bottom once you're satisfied, and we have successfully added that action. So the last timeline action that we will be creating is to remove tag. So click on create action again, and we will be setting this action an hour after the event. So just click on this one and set it to an hour after. Look for non-attendees and let's look for Roseanne again. So we will be removing tag. So let's set this one. Once you're satisfied, just click on create again at the bottom and we'll get a notification again that the action has been successfully added. So for this video, we have created 3 timeline actions with Roseanne. First, we have removed a contact from list. Second is we added a tag, and lastly, we removed the tag. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you.